Have a good day everyone. Today we will see align command and align space command in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First, align command. Single bed width 900, line length 1200. Okay, first AL, enter, align, select object, enter, first source point, click, destination point, click, second source point, click, second destination point, click, enter, select, no, enter, undo, again align, AL, enter, select object, enter, first source point, click, first destination point, click, second source point, click, second destination point, click, enter, select yes. Okay, now bed width 1200. Okay, now let's see align space command. Okay, go layout, express tools tab. Now in paper space, go line, L, enter, line, enter, align space, first alignment point in model, click, second point in model space, click, now in paper space, first alignment point, click, second alignment point, click. Okay, double click. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.